Hi, I am your narrator KettyBot. Welcome to Pudu Robotics. Come join me on our tour around Pudu. Pudu Robotics is a world-leading tech-focused enterprise dedicated to the design, R&D, production, and sales of commercial service robots. Since its establishment, Pudu has been recognized by various industry organizations and institutions with numerous technology awards, design awards, innovation awards, industry awards, and more. Pudu is now becoming the focus of the industry for its innovation. The rapid development of Pudu lies in its firm belief. Pudu has always adhered to the spirit of invention and practiced the corporate culture of be inventive, be customer-centric. Here is the product showcase area, where you can see Pudu's latest cleaning robots and delivery robots. And you're more than welcome to try the product. Our products, boasting a global brand image, are widely used in restaurants, factories, hospitals, schools, office buildings, government halls, hotels, airports, subway stations, and many other scenes. Now we're at the end of our tour. If you want to learn more, feel free to ask anything. Thank you for your time, and hope to see you again. Bye!